So now the chapter would have enhanced what into electric flux. Electric flux through a closed surface by Gauss's law, it is given by phi E is equal to Q by epsilon naught. So using this, I will now find out electric field again. Okay, an electric field due to a charged infinite wire, where the equation or the expression turned into E is equal to 1 by 2 pi epsilon naught into lambda by r into r cap. R cap is there to make this electric field into a vector quantity. So this one is for charged infinite wire. The next one where I am going to find out electric field due to a charged infinite plane plane sheet. So where I got E is equal to sigma by epsilon naught into n cap. Then was about where you are going to find an electric field inside a charged spherical shell. Inside a spherical shell, the electric field was found to be equal to 0. There is no charge if there is an spherical shell. That is why during lightning, we always say it is safer to be there inside even a car, because inside the car the electric charges cannot enter. There it is going to be equal to 0. But if it is going to be points outside, then it turns into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by r square, what you learnt in the first one, where you have, if you have a point charge. Then what are the other concepts? Still here is flux concept. Then comes to capacitance. So capacitance, where the starting starts with the conductor can be charged using a process called induction. If you have which is not a charged conductor, then it can be charged using induction, electrostatic induction. Without contact you are able to charge it. Then was about dielectric. What are dielectrics? Are insulators which has no free electrons, but when you apply electric field, what happens? It is polarized. That is why later when you studied what happens when insulators are introduced in a capacitances, capacitor value will increase. So there we learnt about capacitance. Capacitance is nothing but which can store charges. C is equal to Q by V. It not only store charges, it can store energy also. So the value of capacitance in a parallel plate capacitor, where C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. Then only you studied what will happen to the capacitor when dielectric is introduced. If the electric field is disconnected, what will happen? And if electric field is connected, what will happen? Nothing. There is no change in the capacitance value. That is, capacitor will increase, but in one condition, where potential will decrease and potential will increase. Then next one was energy stored. As it is said, capacitor not only stores charges, it stores energy also. So energy stored in a capacitor, U was equal to 1 by 2 CV square. Then when capacitance are connected in parallel, the net capacitance value that you have found out. Then when you connect capacitors in series, the net capacitance that you get, nothing. Here inverse of the equivalent capacitor will be equal to sum of the inverse of the individual capacitors. Here it will be equivalent capacitors when they are connected in parallel will be equal to sum of its individual capacitors. Then was about lightning arrestor. What is the basic principle behind it is, if you have a sharp edge, then surface charge density is greater. That is how a lightning arrestor is kept on tall building to arrest the lightning. That is, it will just conduct. Then the last part of the lesson was Van de Graaff generator. What is the use of a Van de Graaff generator is to create a large potential difference. Potential difference of 10 power, if you take 10 power of 4 volt, by passing it through a Van de Graaff generator, it can be made into 10 power 7 volt. But what is the principle used there is action of points. That is, this surface charge density is greater, so it starts leakage. There will be a leakage of charges. That is what is called as action of points. And electrostatic induction. The charges are charged without contact. So these two are the principles behind Van de Graaff generator used to increase the potential difference. So first lesson is a very important lesson. Based on all these equations, I have written your equations. Using all these expressions, you may have 1 mark answers or 3 mark problems asked. So all the best children, very good.